Hello, thank you always. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are outside there. Actually, here I have chicken, chicken. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Give it a like outside there. And if this is your first time being here, my name is gracceykerrymission and this YouTube channel. Consider subscribing, watch until the end. Don't skip the ads. That's a big support actually. I'm very much happy. God bless you as we move together. So here I have also boiled water. Always here in the village when we use when we are going to slaughter chicken, actually you have to boil water so that it will get rid of the feathers. So this is the water here. So really boil. After that, you have to add here. So, hope you enjoyed the video actually. Thank you so much as we continue the process step by step. Chicken actually the water is hot, so you have to be careful when you turn it. You turn it and then you start removing the feathers. And you have to get like a bucket where you are putting the feathers. It's hot. Give me some comments down there if is it men who do this work or it's women? I don't know. Or it's gender. What do you think? So it is ready. It is ready. After that, I think there are those small feathers. I don't know what we call them. They are like strings. So you have to do like burn them, and this is how we do it here at the village. We put them on the grill so that the small feathers gonna get rid of the small feathers, and that's how we do it. Yeah. So you leave some comments if this is how you do it at your village or at your home. See, it is ready, and what I have to do is just to cut it. And according to our tradition, you first cut the legs. You cut the legs. First of all, you cut the legs. I don't know the legs, I don't know. Virenge. And then you cut the drumstick. You cut the drumstick. Wow. Let's move on. I think I should open my own restaurant, Kuku Kenyachi Rotary. And then you cut the wings. Oh, it has a lot of. See, this is all fat. This is all fat. See, this is all fat. Put it out. Hello, so here we have the liver. This is the liver. There is the gizzard. Actually, you know all this stuff. So you should be careful so that you don't break the pancreatic juice. And then this is the pancreatic juice. It's very bitter. If it goes to the other meat, you will not eat the meat. Here it is. Come closer. Here, this black here. You should be careful when you are removing the liver like this. So this is it here. Actually, let's continue moving. You see it was very fat. This is only fat here. This is fat. And I hear like people say that it is medicine. This is all the fat. This is medicine. When you have your ear is aching, you put this one here. It's called mafuta ya kuku. Unaika kwa sikio. You put it inside your ear. This one here. When you just burn it, and then you will put it inside your ear. Thank you. This is how we do it actually, and then you have to be careful. You have to do like this, and then inside here I think there is sand. Whoever has done this job here outside there, actually you can imagine what is here. This is only sand, and then you should move it to this side here. Yeah. They do like this. I don't know how they do it. See, oh, it's moved. There are special people who know how to clean it, but this is how we do it. Leave some comments down there if you have ever done such a job. Actually, here we have to clean it now. Thank you so much. Because of the process, I want to add salt. I have black pepper and salt because there is something that I'm going to do it with. This is salt. Actually, we add salt first of all. After adding salt, we add black pepper. We add black pepper. This is what actually I'm going to marinate it with like this one here, and then I put a lot because I want to mix actually. So you have to mix it. Sorry. I don't know how the chief chef do it outside there. I am just training myself to a chief, a local chef. So this is it here, and then now I'm going to put it on the grill. On the grill, actually, this is what I'm going to do to arrange it here. Time. As usual, when you are a chef, you must be careful with what you are doing. Actually, this is it here. After this here, we are going to boil it. This is how we roast it. After roasting, then we shall do kuku boilo. If you want chicken with soup, this is how we do it first, and then yeah, we're gonna boil it. Just to get rid of the fat. You saw how fat it was, so you have to roast it so that you get rid of the fat. So I remove them from the grill. Ugh. The grill. Something it is, and then I'll put the sufuria. After putting the sufuria, and now we put in the sufuria. Yeah, we change and put it inside this sufuria because we are going to do boil. After this, we add the tomatoes. Here I have the tomatoes. I have the pulled chili, red and the green. Also, I have the berry ho. I have ho. So hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, leave some comments if you have ever done such a boilo. Actually, let's see for the process. Now I have to cut the tomatoes. Actually, I'm using 4 tomatoes, 2 chili, green and red pulled chili, 4 tomatoes. Also, I have ho, very ho. I had a small one, so this is it here. And then the green chili, I have to cut them just. This is the green chili, green pulled chili, and the red one. The red one, and the other one, the 2 of them. This one here, and then I have a little bit of green onions. I don't have that much, so I am using the little I have. After that, we put it inside. We put it inside all of it. After that, I add a little bit of salt. Remember, we had put salt, so I have to add a little bit of salt. Let me put on the fire. The fire is on. After that, you turn. Actually, you turn. Remember, we don't put any oil because of the fat. After that, I add water because I said we are going to do boil. Yeah, you don't do anything. You only cover, put on the lid. This is the lid that I'm going to use. From there, actually, you leave some comments. After this one here, I think it is going to be ready for eating, for preserving. You're gonna have it with you're gonna have it with the rice or chapati or ugari. As our kisi here, we deserve ugaris to be strong. You see, to be strong, because we do a lot of work here. Thank you so much. Let's continue. Actually, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like, share to your friends outside there. I know you have amazing friends outside there. Continue watching until the end. Click the like bell. When I put another video, upload another video, you get a lot of notifications. Actually, thank you so much. Bye bye.